Who is the Prime Minister of India 2021? Answer: Narendra Modi. Who is the President of India 2021? Answer: Ramnath Kovind. Who is the Vice President of India 2021? Answer: M. Venkaiah Naidu. Who is the Finance Minister of India 2021? Answer: Nirmala Sitharaman. Who is the Foreign Minister of India 2021? Answer: Subramaniam Jaishankar. Who is the Minister of Education 2021? Answer: Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Who is the RBI Governor of India? Answer: Shaktikanta Das. Who is the Attorney General of India? Answer: K.K. Venugopal. Who is known as Father of Nation? Answer: Mahatma Gandhi. Which is the highest dam in India? Answer: Tehri Dam. Which is the longest dam in India? Answer: Hirakud Dam. Which is the oldest dam in India? Answer: Kalyani Dam. Which is the national tree of India? Answer: Banyan tree. Who is the composer of the Indian national song? Answer: Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Which is the national bird of India? Answer: Peacock. Which is the smallest state in India? Answer: Goa. How many cricket World Cups was Indian won? Answer: 2 World Cups. Which is the national animal of India? Answer: Tiger. Who wrote the national anthem of India? Answer: Rabindranath Tagore. When is Indian Independence Day? Answer: 15 August. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Answer: Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. What is Gir National Park in Gujarat famous for? Answer: lion. Which is the highest waterfall in India? Answer: Kunchikal Falls. Which is the national fruit of India? Answer: mango. What is the national song of India? Answer: Vande Mataram. Which is the national flower of India? Answer: lotus. What is the national river of India? Answer: Ganga. Which is the largest state of India by area? Answer: Rajasthan. What is the capital of Mizoram? Answer: Aizawl. Where does the Narmada river originate from? Answer: Amarkantak. The official languages of India. Answer: Hindi, English. The national currency of India. Answer: Indian rupee. Which place in India is also known as Land of Rising Sun? Answer: Arunachal Pradesh. New Delhi is the capital of? Answer: India. which is also known as the Iron Man of India? Answer: Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who founded the Indian National Army? Answer: Mohan Singh. Which is the most famous historical monument of India? Answer: Taj Mahal. Who is the Home Minister of India? Answer: Amit Shah. Where is the Gateway of India located? Answer: Mumbai. What is the folk dance of Andhra Pradesh called? Answer: Kuchipudi. Who is the chairperson of the Union Public Service Commission? Answer: Pradeep Kumar Joshi. Who is the Minister of Railways? Answer: Piyush Goyal. Who is the Minister of Law and Justice? Answer: Ravi Shankar Prasad. Who is the National Security Advisor? Answer: Ajit Doval. Which is the Cabinet Secretary? Answer: Rajiv Gauba. Which is the Home Secretary? Answer: Ajay Kumar Bhalla.